Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video and the new type of video format which will be like 10 minutes long or more, I'm not sure, or 5 minutes, whatever. So I have some pretty cool updates. One of them is moving to 3D. I will not be continuing my 2D game because I find 3D way more fun. I always wanted to do 3D, but learning 3D was extremely hard for me. Not game programming, but making models. I did not want to asset flip models, so I have decided to create my own models, except maybe for some environment models like trees, rocks. I do not care about asset flips on those models, which is fine for me actually. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start learning Blender. I have already finished the mighty donut tutorial, and I have already created two ship models for my game. And I have created a demo scene here in Unity, as you can see. So what can I say? Right now I'm just learning to use the Blender, and it will be better. The more I use it, the better everything is. So about the game engine and where will I create my program, I will create it basically in Unity, or I was thinking about Godot maybe, I'm not sure. But Unity seems more fun because I like the architecture of game object components. Kinda feels more fun to me than using nodes in Godot. Another reason why I'm moving to 3D is because of the low poly art. I kinda like low poly art, or art of Voices of the Void game. Probably a lot of people here have seen it. I have been watching a ton of YouTube videos about Voices of the Void, especially from the channel The Librarian. It was an extremely fun game to look at. It's kind of a horror game with beautiful environments and kind of cozy atmosphere. That is what I am looking for with my game as well. I want to create some cozy atmosphere, enjoy the gameplay, and actually have some fun around the 3D world. It kind of seems more open. You know, it kind of seems there are a lot of things that you can do. You can watch up, you can look down, you can watch up, I mean, you can look up, look down. In case of 3D, in case of 2D, you can just move up, down, left, right. I really don't like that sometimes, but 2D pixel art for me literally is very fun, but only for handheld devices. I'm not sure for PC that it's the best choice for me. So I have created the dragonfly ship. This is the 2D sprite of it. And I have created also the fork ship. Yep, I named it fork. Please don't kill me because of that. So how will my game actually look like? I was planning on going a really small scope. That is the problem I did with my 2D version of the game. I was going with massive scope, which was extremely pressuring to me. I felt an insane pressure because of that. So as a solo indie developer, it's best to go smaller scope, at least for me, until I get some resources or people to make a bigger game or better. So for now, I'm just gonna go smaller game. What do I wanna do with my game? I always liked AI battles in Halo. I have decided to create some type of game where you send your ships to a battle, and when you send them there, you can actually watch them shoot each other. I have already developed my own tool, which of course I'm going to use in this game as well. Even if it's Unity, I'm not gonna use some add-on. I don't know, I kinda like using my own internal tools, except game engines, of course. I'm not going to create my own game engine from scratch, really. But I'm gonna use my behavior editor, and I'm gonna use it for my AI, because that's what Halo 2 uses, that's what almost every game uses nowadays, at least FPS game, I believe. And me sitting down watching some arena combat between AI, it will always be the most fun thing ever. Now about the environments in 3D versus 2D, I have recently been driving around a lot, and as you can see, it's very beautiful and very relaxing actually. Everyone who is doing this, I believe everyone who does this driving, they all find it to get some insane inspiration from something. It's very relaxing. Whenever you feel good, you will actually start having good inspiration, am I right? You start getting motivated. So basically what I would recommend you is to actually go out sometimes and walk around or drive around, enjoy the environment. Doing this alone will actually, I think it will inspire you to create some better environments like snowy mountains, summer trees, I'm not sure, beaches, whatever. But basically, yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, and please be here for the next video because I will have some pretty good update. Bye. And wait, before saying bye, don't forget to like and subscribe, and sorry for voice cracks.